What is imagination? It's a challenge, turning the impossible into possible. It's passion, maintaining a focused exploration of the world. It's perseverance. There's always a new story worth looking forward to. Logic can take you from point A to point B, but imagination will take you everywhere. Founded in 1954, Marian's headquarters is located in Indianapolis, Indiana, USA. Marian is a global leader in manufacturing precision die-cut components made of innovative, flexible materials. In 2004, Marian started our operations in the Suzhou Industrial Park. From the initial 8 employees and a 1,200 square meter factory to today's factory area of over 60,000 square meters, including 16,000 square meters of Class 10,000 and Class 1,000 clean rooms and 4,000 employees. We provide customized solutions to customers with the most advanced technologies, innovative manufacturing capabilities in the industry. Become the first-tier supplier and strategic partner to global leading end customers. Here, desires inspire ideas. Serving in electronics, medical, automotive industry, we have over 2,000 die-cutting machines, automated production lines in our smart factories, turning insight into originality and progress throughout design, prototyping to mass production. We collaborate with leading material suppliers in the industry, invest in the latest manufacturing technologies, and develop solutions to help create reliable products. We achieve zero waste to landfill, utilize 100% renewable energy, and through full upstream and downstream cooperation, we participate in developing in a green and low-carbon supply chain, moving towards the future in a sustainable and responsible manner. Based locally and serving globally, we build product ecosystems with more advanced standards and superior service, growing together with our customers. Marian, always on the way.